another strange sound mystery. Source of early morning boom in Aspen, Colorado still remains mystery. Boom sounds this past Friday. According to the Aspen Times, a source of a loud bang or explosion that was heard around the Aspen area early Friday morning remains a mystery. Officials from different agencies have not been able to track down where this originated. Fire and police officials checked around looking for a source of the early sound. The sound early in the morning could not locate anything that might be the source. This is what an Aspen Police and Fire Department official said Friday morning. They thought it might have been a transformer of some kind because it was louder than a gunshot. A Holy Cross Energy spokesperson said they were not aware of any transformer damage or disruption of service Friday morning in the Aspen area. Many people reported hearing the loud sound echoing in the Upper Valley. Police and fire officials said it was not the smuggler mine cannon that is shot off on 4th of July, 6 a.m. each year by the owners. Aspen Fire Department training Captain Charlie Curtis said crews were responding to a 5 a.m. call on Oak Lane about smoke from a trailer when they heard the sound. That call was a minor cooking error, quote unquote, and while they were finishing up they heard the boom and got calls about this. Curtis said the page went out at 6:04 a.m. and they went looking around but did not find anything. And they talked to the guys at Smuggler Mine and it was not them. An official in the City of Aspen Engineering Department said they do not have record of issues with any of their facilities on Friday, according to Aspen Times. So this is still some sort of a mystery. This is on Bended Reality. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.